is up, guys? It's Jason here, and we're back with another unboxing video. I meant to do this an hour earlier, but I got hungry and I decided to eat a little before I do this video. And not to mention, I'm on work duty right now, so yeah. We got two packages here. We have this big one, same culprit, Americana Pipedream. We got a new culprit right here too. It's in this sort of wrapping thingamajig, so I'm already a little suspicious as to how it's gonna turn out. It is by Far East Tactical, which is a sort of company that I bought stuff from through Etsy. I don't know if they have an official website, but I bought it through Etsy, so just figured I'd let you guys know. How's your day, afternoon, evening? How has that been going? It is currently December 9th of 2021. It is 6:46 p.m. I just noticed that my watch is kind of broken, so the digital time and then the hour hand and the minute hands don't really match up with each other, so I gotta figure out what's up with that. We're almost done with school. Next week is finals week, and there isn't a whole lot I have to do in terms of finals, so I have a final tomorrow for one of my classes. I already did the presentation for my media kit for my PR class. It was okay. I mean, I definitely did not come prepared in terms of my speech, so that tells you exactly what you need to know according to this video. Let's just get right into it. School is almost done. That means I have more time to do other things, including picking up a job that I can work for the entire week because I need money. And normally I hate work, and I still do, but I need money because I spent the entire November just buying stuff. You guys can't see it, but I'm opening a box right now. If you guys are in college, that means we have this week and technically next week if you guys are still doing finals. I have two online classes that started relatively late in the semester, so I have to wait till next week to be officially done with school. But in terms of like my in-class type of class, wow, that was really bad. That's gonna be done by today. No, not today, tomorrow. I hope it was done today, but one more class to go. Usual, another sticker. I gotta be careful where to put this stuff because I have a tray of mozzarella sticks. Let's see what we have today. So today, and this is kind of hard to take out. Dang, he stuffed it into this tiny box, didn't he? I don't know how he did that. That seems pretty convenient. So we have a Polish parka with the liner inside. So it has the flag and it has the camel scheme too. It looks a little, how do I put it, used, which I'm okay with. I think I just need to wash it and I'll be fine. There's actually a name in the back too that I can't see. It's kind of faded. So yeah, this has definitely been used. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this on. This is actually a lot warmer than the schmuck, but then again, the schmuck isn't meant for, you know, to be used in extreme weather, I guess. That's how you say it. We're gonna put this on. It is heavy. We need to figure out how exactly I'm gonna put this in my closet while I have them to break a bunch of hangers and stuff. But look at this parka. It's kind of dirty on the inside, but that's okay. There's a pocket on the inside too, I think. Yeah, this has definitely been used, so it does look a little dirty and a little bit banged up, but that's okay. That's what military surplus is all about, being used and banged up a bit. Yeah, this is definitely cozy. I like it. Yeah, I think you're supposed to tie these together, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe it's a way to tighten it. Oh, it is a way to tighten it, but maybe I should do that first. Oh, this is gonna be a pain to have to put on in the morning because I definitely gotta be early tomorrow because I have a final and I need all the time I can to take said final. Come on. And I only have 9 minutes of work left, so that's nice. So yeah, I guess you tie that together and then you have the buttons. Yeah, it's kind of like the Greek field jacket. You have the button on the inside. Yeah, boys, this is kind of cool. It's definitely big. It's definitely big and it's definitely very cozy because it has the liner on the inside too. I was gonna buy the German parka, but then I'd also have to buy the liner because it comes separate from the actual parka. And I'm like, nah, that's not what we're gonna do. I am not about to order two things just to have to assemble it together. That's annoying. So here it is. The parka is very cozy. It's definitely big and cozy. It's like my it has the same feel as my two sort of Allslo jackets. Yeah, my brain's not even like fully functioning today. That's how you tell that we're knee deep in finals week. Yeah, it's definitely very cozy. It's very big too. Ow. Yeah, something like this on accident. I don't know how it put it. Maybe I was trying to put on something and just had to cut. Very comfortable, definitely very big. I highly recommend this during the extreme winter time. I think there's supposed to be a button here, but I don't see anything. So this says Strum made in Poland. So we're gonna take that sticker off. And then the word pocket that I saw, I don't know where. It is what it is. So the date that was made, it was July 2006. So this is definitely an older type of parka. I'm pretty sure they've got newer ones by now. Newer, more updated models with, you know, redesigned camo, because that's what militaries do, a lot of redesigning stuff. I give this a 10 out of 10. So we're just gonna take this off, and then maybe I'll put it back on because I gotta shovel snow outside later, and I need access to a jacket, and this is already here, so why not? So yeah, we're just gonna unbuckle this. This is definitely a weirder type of jacket because there really isn't like a sort of zipper. It's like you have the buttons and then you just have to tie in the middle, which is weird. It's definitely weird, but it is kind of cool. We're gonna put that to the side. We gotta open this last thing. While I was shopping on Americana Pipedream, I happened to stumble upon something on the internet. So I was like, well, if there's surplus European camo, there's gotta be some surplus Asian camo out here, right? That's what led me to Etsy, and then, you know, browsing through the catalog, that's what brought me to Far East Tactical GHQ. And I'm gonna show you what I got from Far East Tactical. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna open this without having to repeat the same thing that I did with the German Tropentarn field jacket, where I accidentally cut it because I'm an idiot. So I'm doing this off camera right now just because I need to concentrate. This guy definitely just like taped it. Like, I'm afraid that I'm gonna like, okay, I have a rip. And then let's see if we can, okay, there we go, I think. Oh, we can do the bottom. Let's do that. Let's get rid of that bottom part. Okay, we got that. Let's get rid of the top part. That was the sound of one of my co-workers leaving because it's 6:56 and my shift is almost up. This is definitely gonna be a longer video because I gotta figure out how I'm gonna open this. And I spent way too long trying to explain that parka, but it had to be done. It had to be done, folks. Okay, great, I didn't cut the uniform. That would be a shame if I cut it and then I'd have to order another one because it was 60 bucks and I'm not about to order that again. It's a medium too, which I'm a little scared for because I don't know if it's gonna fit. All right, here we have it, folks. I don't like the fact that it was balled up and then put like this, but we move. Anyways, what we have right now is surplus Chinese uniforms. I know, pretty cool, huh? I think it's a big enough size for me too, which would be nice. It doesn't look like it's gonna like fall apart. So yeah, we have surplus Chinese uniforms. We have the jacket. It's all in medium, so let's try the jacket first. Field jacket. Oh, the Velcro is for the rain. I might have to buy accessories for this too. I have to buy accessories for a lot of my field jackets. I think this should fit. It's in a medium, which was like the largest size available. There was a small and a medium, and then that was it. And I'm thinking to myself, there's no way this is gonna fit. It is fitting. Let's go. The first person in Utica to own surplus Chinese military sort of gear. So yeah, we're just gonna button this up. For Chinese quality, it's actually not that bad. I like it. It's very cool. Oh, see, there's another Velcro thing. Like, I guess this is where like your unit goes. I'd have to find something off of the guy that sold me this, because he also does sell patches and stuff like that, like Velcro patches that I can use to accessorize the field jacket. So that's nice. It does kind of smell, which I'm not too concerned with because it's meant to smell. Okay, so the problem with the medium is that it does get kind of tight at the bottom, but that's okay. We can just lift it up, and then I just gotta fold this back, and then I can button this, I think, because there's still some room. Still some leeway there. There we go. Look, Type 07 Universal Camouflage from China. That's dope. Let's go. We're not just sticking with European camels, we got Asian camel too. And speaking of which, it is 7 and I'm going to end my shift. There we go. We got this. And now we're gonna try on the pants, and I'm gonna pause the video here because you guys don't want to see me naked. Alright, we are back. The pants do fit, but it's pretty much the same situation as that is Twitch. Emma Longevin is live. I'll watch that soon. But anyways, back to what I was saying. The pants do fit. Unfortunately, it's the same situation as my American chocolate chip BDU pants. I can pretty much get every button on except for the top one, which means it does look kind of weird, but as long as it's fitting, it's fine. So I don't know if you guys can see. So here are the pants to match the uniform, which is awesome. So yeah, I can't get that last button on. It's so annoying. At least the other buttons are on, so I'm not too worried. I mean, the one thing I am worried about is that it does look a little bit flimsy. I mean, then again, it is Chinese, and you know, I guess the quality standards aren't like as high as like European, but I'll try my best to make sure like I don't rip it or anything. The idea is that it should be ripstop fabric. It should be able to take a beating, and since I already have this on, I don't feel like taking it off. Yeah, so we got buttons on the side. Yeah, it does feel a little flimsy compared to the other pants that I have. Like the other pants that I have are very, very thick in a way, where this feels very paper thin and flimsy. Are there pockets in the back? Oh, whatever. It is what it is. Sides. The sides. Oh, that's what the sides are. There's like something in the sides. I don't know what it is, but that's pretty much it for all the stuff I have. We have a Polish parka, and we have a full-on surplus Chinese uniform. So if you ever want to piss off MAGA folk, you know, whenever they say America first, just dress up in this. Very fitting. I give it a 9 out of 10, simply just because the only two negatives I have are, one, it feels very paper thin, and two, it's pretty much the same thing like my choco pants, where I can button up every button except for the last one because I'm fat. But that's pretty much it. That's everything I have so far. I do have some more stuff coming in from another military surplus site, so I'll tell you about that when I get the stuff in. It does take a little longer, so you guys are just gonna have to wait. As of the recording of this video, I have, I think, 6 or 7 other videos that I still have to get around to editing to, so I think by the time this gets uploaded, everything else should be uploaded for your viewing. Just hang on, I'm a very busy person. So that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think about the stuff that I got today. And I'll see you guys later.
I'm bored, baby. Oh no, you are find the time.